bag. Then you take the corners like this. Just use your finger. Do you see the nice, neat corners? When I learned this technique, and your bag holds a lot more the way I do these. Okay, but I am going to, okay, one thing I didn't do. Okay, I need to do the bottom, but you can do, okay, maybe it's good that I did it this way to show you that you can do your bag either way. I don't usually do it this way. I guess I was so busy talking. Okay. Actually, it's kind of neat. I usually do my corners so you have a fuller bag. But see your corners. Now I'm going to, I know this is crazy. A lot of people make their bags this way. I prefer, I'm glad I actually messed up because then I can show you both ways. If you like your bag like that. Now if I can get it back out, I'm going to show you how normally, oops, I make my bags. But you just learned two ways, which is good. But I have to admit, I screwed up. I was too busy talking. But I know that I belong to some sewing groups, and some people make their bags like that. I think the way I like to do it, it actually holds more. Okay. Now, you get your corner like this. And pull your seams apart. This is the part I don't like to do, but I like my bags this way, so this is how I do them. Pin that, and then after I get both of them pinned, I will measure and show you how to mark them. But I am glad that I messed up, because you might just like your bag the other way. You might not like it this way. And it's actually easier the other way. But if you've known me for any length of time or get to know me, I manage to do things the hard way. Okay, here is your corners. Now you decide on your width or length. I usually, let's see here, make mine, oh, it's about 1 1/4 inches. Measure, put a dot, and then hopefully you can see this. Okay, where is my, oh, I see it now. My dot. If I don't go down and get my eyes tested and get new glasses, it's ridiculous. So I've made my mark there, and that's where I'm going to stitch. So you bring the other side, and okay. Now I kind of just eye it see if I like the way it looks, if it looks even. Now, and this is one thing, I double sew to make it sturdy. Scissors. So I kind of line those up together, double check. Yeah. Okay, then I'll show you after I'm sure they're the same how I do that. Hopefully you can see that. Then we have to do it on the lining side, which is a little more difficult because, like I said, the fabric is usually a lot lighter. So, I'll put those together. They're the same. So then I get my scissors and I trim off that end. Then I go back and sew it again, just to give it the added strength. Because you know, us women put so much stuff in our bags. Okay. And do the other side. We're almost done, actually. Okay. Also, I hope my battery holds up. You know, I hate getting used to new things. A new camera. Okay, that's the inside of the bag. Now we have to do it on the lining. Okay. Go. And then we do the same process. Measure. I should have got a different color. Well, it's dark enough. That's where really weird, because this is the part I least like in making these bags. I don't know why. I just don't. Okay. Let's stitch them. Then we're ready to flip our bag again. Going to go ahead and cut this right now and stitch it again. I just about have a bag made. Okay. Now the other side.